everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, today's reaction is going to be a song reaction. This is the song which has just dropped from the upcoming Mohanlal sir's film Marakkar Arbi Kadalinte Simham, and the song name is Okay. Now I have found out that like ZH is pronounced together as Ra, NJ is basically pronounced as yeah. So it's one of the viewers, he sent me a voice note on Instagram when I had mispronounced Suraj's name. So it's Suraj Venyara Moda, right? I hope this one is correct, man. I hope this is the time I've pronounced it correctly. If not, again, I'm sorry. So this song is called Kunyu Kunyali. It's not Kunja Kunjali. It's Kunyu Kunyali. Right? So this is the lyric video, but I tried my best to find out a lyric video which if anybody had done the subtitle work, but unfortunately I couldn't. So I'm just gonna enjoy the music. You can please help me out, to decipher basically the meaning of the song. So yes, let's react to Kunya Kunyali. I hope this is the correct pronunciation. We'll find out in the song. And just before I start, so this week there won't be reviews because I didn't get a chance to basically watch any films over the weekend, except I Want to Eat Your Pancreas, that I had watched a little earlier, but this weekend I couldn't watch anything. So the reviews, so this week it's now mostly reactions till the end of the week, and again next week onwards back to the reviews. Okay, let's start. Should I just forward this? Right. Oh, wait, sorry. Wow, the flute.
കുഞ്ഞു കുഞ്ഞാലിക്ക് ഒന്നുറങ്ങണം, രാരീരം രാരോ രാരീരം രാരോ, ഉമ്മ തൻ നെഞ്ചത്തൊരു ഉയല് വേണം, പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണം കാതിലും വേണം, ചെല്ലക്കാറ്റേ വീശണം നീയും, തന്നന്നം താളത്തിൽ ചാരത്ത് വേണം, ഉണ്ണിപ്പൂവേ കൂട്ടിന് വേണം, ചെമ്മുത്തം പൊന്മുത്തം കന്നത്തിൽ വേണം, കുഞ്ഞു കുഞ്ഞാലിക്ക് ഒന്നുറങ്ങണം, രാരീരം രാരോ രാരീരം രാരോ. കന്നത്തിൽ വീണം ചെമ്പുത്തം പൊന്മുത്തം കന്നത്തിൽ വീണം
Literally calming me down.
രാരീരം രാരീരം രാരം.
Oh wow. It's beautiful. Oh wow. Let me open the credits also. Firstly, Chitra ma'am's vocals are next level. The entire song, I don't know, with the visuals, what I'm seeing is I love how firstly the song is so slowed down. From the visuals that I'm seeing, I don't know why I feel that this is a mother singing for the son, because that's the visuals in the beginning where the cradle was there and then the son grows up. So it's basically, I feel like the mother is singing probably for the child. That's what I feel. That's the feeling that I got from the song, because of course I do not know the meaning of the lyrics. So that's one. Second, Chitra ma'am's vocals are just they are beautiful. They are just beautiful. And third, what really in the music was a standout was the flute for me. Let me see. Juicy, yes, the flute, even the sarangi, but for me, I think because it's just, I think, two instruments that were playing, the flute and the sarangi. The sarangi is the one which was, doing the beats, thak thak tang 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 tang. That was the tal of the song. But I think the flute made it just exceptionally good. And this song, like I said again, put my brain sort of in a very calming mood. So imagine if I just shut all the lights off and just play this song, I'll probably going to get in a very deep sleep. That's what I feel. So I loved it. Beautiful. Please, I really tried my best to find the English subtitled lyric video, if anybody would have done it, because a lot of fans do it, but I couldn't, unfortunately. And I hope the subtitled video eventually gets released. Though I was expecting, because I know this movie is going to get released in so many languages, and I saw that there is a Tamil version of this song as well. This, of course, is the original one, I feel. But I expected that there would be a Hindi version also, because the trailer released in Hindi as well. So I don't know. Maybe they'll release it later. Because I definitely will be waiting for that. So yes, that was my reaction, guys, for Kunnu Kunnyali. I am so happy. Finally, I'm getting the pronunciations correct. I'm learning. Slowly, I'm learning. So yes, thank you so much for suggesting me to react to this video. I would have anyways done it. I knew that the song had released, and I have a full long ass reaction list where I know what all I have to react to and what all are pending. So of course there are older stuff also which I know that I have to react to, but of course so many new things are now releasing one by one. So of course my priority becomes to react to the new stuff first. So yes, guys, that was it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this reaction and have come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.